is making the worst mistake of his life.
Mbah is fighting for this.
If Mbah goes to Finland, someone else will kill him. No, let us be sincere. The man you are talking in question is a military man working in Finland. The country you are talking in question is the Scandinavian country of Europe. They are the most advanced country in Europe. They are not like Nigeria, whereby governor can kill and go free. Yes.
But there's no way petermbah will beat
Petermbah's trying to extradite Simon Ekpa'S is a child play. Mbah is making the worst mistake of his life, because if he tries it, see, let me tell you something, Mbah. I believe Mbah might watch it because I know, of course, Simon Ekpa'S must watch. He must view. Let me tell you, Ekpa'S, if Mbah tries it, if Mbah comes to Finland, maybe Mbah, Finland, Nigeria, though he will never dare do that.
But he's serious. He's serious.
I know that the guy is serious.
Yeah, a conference.
Ekpa'S you are talking about is a military man. The kind of military man Ekpa'S is not Nigerian military. Nigerian military, they enter bar, they take beer, they take trophy, they drink, they can do anything. This man is from a sanitized society. Finland work hard to separate themselves from Russia. Don't you think that Finland is a strong country? Finland, they are Scandinavians, most advanced country in Europe. Finland got her independence in 1956 from Russia, USSR. From 1956 back to the days of USSR, Russia, Finland were in control. Russia was in control of Finland, just like Biafra is in control of this rubbish country called Nigeria. So Finland worked hard. They agitated for their freedom. They got their independence. They separated from Russia and they fought. So that's why Finland is regarding Biafra. They don't play with Biafra. Finland starved their children in 1967, 68, 69. Denied them school fees to feed Biafran children that were suffering from Kwachoko.
That was Russia.
Nigeria as a country is history blind. Nigeria is suffering from history blindness. That's why they don't know that it is all is well with Simon Ekpa'S in Finland. Yes. Simon Ekpa'S is well protected, fortified by his host country, Finland. Because we Biafrans are going through what the Finnish went through in the 40s, in the 30s, in the 50s, before they were liberated by somebody. Someone must have liberated them. So what Ekpa'S is fighting is for emancipation of Biafra as a sovereign state. And Finland as a country, they support him. Now, as I'm talking to you, Finland has given him citizenship since he went there on scholarship. He worked as a military man there. So I don't know why these people that are history blind are still hammering and harping for Finland extraditing Ekpa'S. Kenya that are orchestrated the abduction of Finland. Kenya has never been free. No, they have never come out free from that case. Well, they are trying to instigate another trouble for Finland. Finland knows the law. You cannot just bring somebody down. And Western Europe, they actually take us for asylum if trouble happens in Africa. So they are not wicked countries. If Finland could be all those evil axis, there are part of Europe that they tag evil axis, even part of Africa. Somali. Yeah, where you have Al-Shabaab.
Somalia.
Yeah, Somalia. Then some part of Middle East Europe are evil axis. If could be that Simon Ekpa'S is in those 8 countries, they would have brought him back, because they are aggrieved over Christianity. Yes, they're not happy with Christianity. But Finland, you see, is a Scandinavian country, is a Christian country. Yes. Simon Ekpa'S is in a very, very conducive atmosphere for peace. Mr. President can talk nonsense in Nigeria and go scot-free, like what Tinubu talked about APC and the Edo states. Tinubu said, I will give you APC and those states. Go in, he's never gone, they said gone. If you say that, that kind of statement in Western Europe, they will get you arrested. So this is where lawlessness is being enabled by even the Department of Judiciary and the legislative. They are the one radicalizing the office of the president because they work hand in hand. In the white world, where there is advancement, development into technology, science, IT, they behave like humans. If Mr. President say anything wrong, the Department of the Legislature will ask him why and what. But in Nigeria, they work together to siphon, to steal money. That's why Tinubu is threatening the Edolites. The Edolites, of course, you know that PDP has been winning election in Edo.
He's joking. He's joking. You cannot win
Jokingly or not jokingly, that word has weight. Because this president, these governors, these lawmakers, ministers in Nigeria, they are law violators. They can violate the law, twist it, turn it upside down, and go scot-free. Because of what? Enablement from Department of Judiciary. If they go to court, the presiding justices and judges will turn the law upside down and give it to them. There's no hope for common man in Nigeria. Our judiciary has been what? Radicalized. We are not even talking about the office of the Senate president. They have bought it. The legislature has bought it. They are no longer lawmakers. They are people that violate the most law in Nigeria today. They are violators. Lawless lawmakers. How do you think justice could thrive well in Nigeria? We don't have justice again. What we have in the courts of law are chief injustices. Because they are turning law upside down.
What is in benefit?
Yes.
What is their benefit? You know, to come out after Samuel Ekpa. What is their benefit? Because you are selfish interest. You know, you want to be loyal to Fulanis. You want to benefit all. You want to become, you know, you want to achieve your power. You want to be, you want to become a good Samaritan to Fulanis. You want to be the good Samaritan to Fulanis. That is the agenda. That's what Mbah is clamoring for. That's what the alarm that he's raising for. That is what you want to gain. At the end of the day, after you dance for them finish. You know, they will turn you as enemy. Petermbah to us, after you dance, how you know how to dance for Fulanis? What is your culture today? Can your culture talk again? What have you done, Joy Bokwe? You hear Joy Bokwe talk again?
That one still talk.
Because end of the because he's making us that time. Which you hope say by miracle we'll give him you know, as usual. End of the day, what happened? Joy Bokwe to come out and start a noise again. Making noise to favor, you know, Fulanis. What have you to me and which? What are them? When you dance for them finish, end of the day, they will dump you. Petermbah to go, you know, if he has power, let him go and sue Finland to court. And go and face Finland in the World Court. So that you know, you understand what is the rule of law, or what is the meaning of agitation, or what is the meaning of human rights, or what is the meaning of this is wrong and this is right. So that you understand that what is Samuel Ekpa is fighting for is absolutely right. It's absolutely right. Petermbah is fighting for selfish interest. It's not fighting for himself or the Igbos. No. It's fighting for his own pocket and his family. And his political agenda. Ambition. That's what he's fighting for. So that Fulanis will welcome him. That is a good Igbo man. What is their benefit? Where they are dancing for Fulanis, what is their benefit? What is the benefit of the listeners? They call themselves a leader. And you see the wrong thing, you cannot say it out. You cannot open up and say, no, enough is enough. You cannot come out and raise a land. That is wrong. That is why I like the Enugu state, I mean, the state governor. He said, no, this is wrong. He come out and said, no, tell the government, no, this is wrong, this is right. But those one are dancing because of what they want to gain. What is their benefit? When your brothers and sisters are languishing in hand of the enemies, Nigeria, come on Nigeria, your brothers and sisters does not recognize in Nigeria. These sinners does not recognize in anywhere in Nigeria, except those that are dancing for them. Accept them that are dancing for them. Now you come out, you come now and raise the alarm because of you, because the Fulani to welcome you. Of course, I tell them, we have told them, Nigerians, if you cannot join them, if you cannot beat them, you join them. That's what they are doing. That's what petermbah is doing. That's what they're doing. So let me tell you, all those things cannot brought any good thing to his pocket. He cannot brought any good achievement. But the Igbos are dying in hand of Nigeria. What the Igbos are not want to find in Nigeria, they do not recognize. The Nigerian government does not take Igbos along. They abandon the eastern part of the country. And the petermbah, what is in them? Garments in there, making noise. Because what you want to gain. And where you come from is like a desert. Where you come from is like desert. And they took what belong to you, you know, to put their own region in order. You are there fighting for your own pocket. In name of you are fighting for Igbos. To hell with them. To hell with the so-called the Fulani governors in the east. To hell with them. I challenge you, let you go and sue the Finland. Let you go sue the Finland. Or they don't think that the Finland is like Kenya or Britain. That is a betrayer. Finland is not a betrayer. They know what is stake. They know the right, what is good and what is wrong. They know the meaning of leadership. They know the meaning of agitation. Because they understand the cause that some of the party is fighting for. No, nothing back, go and I mean, to challenge them, to sue the Finland to court. I'm going to challenge Finland in court. So that you will see another side of Finland. And at the end of the day, he will carry shame and come back to Fulanis. Because they call them Fulanis leaders. Fulani, you know, servants. I call them Fulani servants. That's what they are. I don't call them my leader. They're not my leader. Because they're not there for me. They are not there for their own children and the so-called political ambition. That's what they're there for. They don't care where they come from. They don't care whether their people are suffering in the hand of Nigeria or their people are killing in the hand of the enemy, called Nigerians. Their people do not recognize in Nigeria. Then they are against agitation. Of course, they are benefiting a lot. You are eating. You don't like anything. They don't like. That's why they cannot come out and say the truth. That's why you see them. They can never come out and say the truth. Always beating around the bush. Always support evil. And they will say them, no. What you will need is Biafra. We want to start as a nation. We want to stand as a nation. That is what we are clamoring for. And that is our agenda. Because they are benefiting from Nigeria, they don't care what is happening to their own people. Or for their land. Petermbah, let me ask you, is there any federal infrastructure in the East? Beg you tell me a single one. Any federal project in the East after Nigeria Biafra war? You call government, so called you people call yourself governors. What do you people have achieved in that region? Can't you people pass a motion? Force the federal government to do something in the east. I have told them Nigeria is still breathing today because of Easterners. Because Nigeria is already buried. What will remain is to cement Nigeria. To cement up. It's already buried. Nigeria is gone. Nothing to show that this country is going to better again. Nothing to show. Hence you see shouting one Nigeria, one Nigeria. Where people are dying. When you don't have freedom in your land. You don't have rights in your land. Why the right belong to some ethnic? And you say we are one. So the petermbah should continue serving in Fulanis. Let him go and and sue some American. Or sue the Finland. Let him go challenge Finland in the work out. End of the day, I think we will took disgrace back it to Fulanis. Yes, you will pack disgrace to Fulanis. That is it. I saw you say we don't have leader. The Easterners don't have leader. And when you tell me about leader, if you tell me about leader in the eastern part of the country, you mention Lesotho, I will listen to you. Someone like I will listen to you. Once now they can I will listen to you. Yes. Those who are called leaders in the east. So called leaders are the worst. The worst. But at the end of the day, I told him he can never eat the cake and still have it. Whatever goes around always goes around. When you open your eye and see your people dying, Fulani take over your land, killing your people, killing your brothers and sisters, your youth, and you're happy because of your power. You sit the seat of power. You don't care about what is going on. The wrong thing that is happening in your land, they don't care. Because of what you are getting, because it's, I mean, Fulani court that put you there. You have your side, you continue, that's it for them. End of the day, let me tell them, monkey will go market. To return back, no problem. It's a problem to them. To come back. To return back is a problem for them. So let me round up.
Okay.
Petermbah, she withdraw anything concerned because I don't believe that they are Biafran. They don't. We don't recognize them as a Biafran. They are Fulanis. So let him continue, serving his Fulanis. They are not there for us. Let them continue serving their Fulanis. On the Biafran stand of Biafran cause. Whether they will be at the Biafran land or the Fulani land. Let them continue the evil they are creating in that region. Let them continue. That's it for Fulani. But God will surely judge them. When they see what is happening, what is going on, they will cover up. One day, it will hit them. One day, it will hit them. At the end of the day, nobody will come to rescue them. Thank you very much.